Hello there, Kesomist here. Product Life Cycle Management. So PLM is an information management system that can integrate data, processes, business system and ultimately people in an extended enterprise. So this is a product life cycle management software which allows you to manage this information through the entire life cycle of product efficiently and cost effectively from ideation, design and manufacture to service and disposal. Okay, so friends, today I will present amazing ultimate operation in designing environment of this Unigraphics NX software. The operation is CAM, computer aided manufacturing. I have generated this operation with 6 steps of NC programming. So this is a model part. I have modeled this part. Now I'm heading toward the manufacturing operation. Okay, so here all 6 steps are already completed. Now I'll show you milling operation directly. Edit. Your workpiece is paired against the rotating tool, and here remember that depth of cut is 1 mm. So I'm going to verify 3D dynamic. First one, decreases the speed. You can watch the motion of the tool and milling operation, looking very nice. Now I will increase the speed for fast operation. You can watch Okay, thank you so much friend, hope you like it.